Hi, my name is Becky Bacheller and I am the Collections Technician. I take care of the objects in our historic collection. So today we have a recent donation of this accessory pack that is part of a Meal Combat Individual Kit, or an MCI, that is probably from the 1960s, and we're going to be opening up and see what's inside it. So this ration box would have contained 4 cans of food: a meat can, bread, a dessert, and then like a bread or crackers spread sort of thing, and then this accessory pack on top. It says it contains cigarettes, matches, chewing gum, toilet paper, coffee, sugar, and salt. So this type of prepared food used to be called C rations or C rats before it was called MCIs. But it was still commonly referred to as that, as C-rat. And then this was given to armed forces until about 1980, when it was replaced by meal ready to eat, or MREs as they are commonly known, and those are still in use today, both in military and civilian life. In fact, we even have some in our gift store here, and they're not bad. So we recently received this accessory pack from a donor, Ralph Vigioni, who served on board in the mid-1960s in Intrepid, and said that he got this on board. And we have made the decision to unbag this for condition and display reasons. So as you can see, it says what the contents are, but we can't actually see inside. So we don't know what is going on with them right now. So we would like to know what their condition is, how they are doing, and then I will individually house them in custom archival housing for long-term storage. And so that will, ensure that they have a longer and happier life. So let's see what's inside. Guess that this one is toilet paper. So guessing game a little bit, so that's what's first. The finest quality money can buy. So we have our cigarettes. So given when the donor served, I am assuming that this kit is probably from the 1960s, but we can know for sure that this kit is pre-1972 because that's when they had cigarettes, and that's when they decided to take them out of the accessory packs. Instant coffee. And our salt pack. And our cream packs. It nicely matches the outside. And our sugar. And oh good, we have some matches to go with this. Then we end with 2 chiclets. So can confirm the contents match what it says on the outside. So this looks like it is in very good condition, so that's great news. I've had other survival kits where they've had gum or candy in them and it's kind of melted and negatively impact the other contents in it. So I'm very happy to see that these are in good condition. Everything is still sealed. The next step is that I will individually photograph and catalog all of these and talk about their condition, and so it will end up as a record in our collections management database, and then it will be individually housed in trays, and then we'll live there for research or purposes, or if we ever want to put it on display. So I'm just making little cradles out of archival tissue right now so that the objects will be secure within the tray, so you could shake them and it won't move around. For more behind the scenes videos, visit intrepidmuseum.org.